Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on My AI on Snapchat. So let's get into it. Snapchat's My AI is available for everyone on the platform, regardless of whether you're on its free tier or paid membership. The feature should be enabled by default on your account, which you can check by going to the Snapchat's chat screen. If you can't find the My AI chatbot on your account, you can enable it by updating the Snapchat app on your device. Once you've updated the Snapchat app on your phone, you can check if My AI is available by going to the chat screen. In case you're unable to access the My AI chatbot inside the Snapchat app, it's possible that the feature may not be rolled to your account yet. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.